One day, you come up with an invention that could change the world. You've put a lot of thought into it and you know how to make it. But how exactly do you turn your invention into serial production? One option is to create your own manufacturing facility, but this requires substantial effort, knowledge, and financial resources. You'll need machines, facilities, employees, supply chain, and warehouse management. And don't forget to create your company and digital infrastructures. Another option is outsourcing to a foreign country, but this can mean transportation costs, hidden costs, high fees, and a whole other set of complexities. And to top it all off, you're often left waiting for weeks or months for products to arrive. That should be different, and it can be. Here at Technologies Added, we have thought about these problems and come up with an innovative production model following the latest 4.0 industry standards. At our Smart Factory, we have combined our expertise with smart robotics and smart tooling in a modular and scalable, high-quality assembly line. This means Technologies Added will be your flexible and scalable factory and will grow with your demands over time. Furthermore, you will only pay for what you use when you use it. There are no purchase obligations or fixed costs attached. To facilitate these possibilities, we use what we call our unique digital backbone. With the help of the digital backbone, we can create a digital twin of your assembled product. This gives you the ability to trace parameters down to a single part level. By using efficient and proven software applications, we can deliver unprecedented transparency of the assembled product. These data insights will support you in improving your product's life cycle. So choosing Technologies Added minimizes production and supply chain related concerns, which allows you to focus on your product development, marketing, and sales.